This is Keremeos Creek. It is the highest I've seen it through here, that's for sure. Let's see what it looks like on the other side of the street. Well, there's still lots of clearance under it, under this bridge. I don't know how close I'll get to get a view of it here. Yeah, I gotta say, I don't think I've seen it this high here before. But it's pretty much situation normal for spring runoff. Water levels go high. Now further downstream from where we are, it's actually causing some issues. But at this spot, it's high, but it's not flooding any fields here. We'll just take a look over here. Don't know that I'd want to walk in that field. It's probably a little mushy regardless, but I don't see any standing water in here.